Guys, please don't scroll because my cat is sleeping now and she wants this food and I gonna smell this and how she reaction. Let's go. Hello. Do you wanna eat this? No. Bitch. Bye. That's my cutie cat. She wanna this. Okay. You want this? Oh, si Pichu. Pichu. Ay. Bakit mo to? Ayaw mo. You don't like this? This is a coffee. Coffee cake. Eat now. Bye.